You over 40? Well, let me tell you what, this one's probably for the men that are over 40. Men, hey, nobody's coming to save you. Not your boss, not your government, not the economy. So if you're over 40 and you're still grinding paycheck to paycheck, it's not because you failed. It's because the system was never designed to give you freedom, period. So we were taught to work hard, and nobody taught us on how to build an online income. So this is right. What I have here is this is a very simple automated system that regular guys and gals are using to create real income working from home. Okay. Real simple stuff here, guys. No dancing on TikTok, and there's no tech geniuses, no experience required, just a step by step blueprint. So if you're ready to start surviving, you're not going to survive. I'm telling you, your bills, your mortgage is 1,500. Your car insurance went through the freaking roof. Groceries went through the freaking roof, and it's not going to come down, guys. The whole idea is you're going to need more money. Hands down, that's the freaking solution. So here's your thing. Here's the thing. Check the link, start building, check the link in the profile and see if it's a good fit for you. It's a good fit for me. We've made a couple $100,000 online already. Uh, I've been doing this a long time, but yeah, step by step blueprint. You got it.